What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, y'all, so today's gonna be a pretty chill day. Honestly, I'm gonna do like a good bolt check and just tidy everything up. I'm gonna check tire pressure and everything, probably go clean out the inside of the car because it's pretty dirty, honestly. Bunch of dog hair from my dog and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna probably like later on, definitely gonna just do a good bolt check and whatnot before I go anywhere, and just tidy things up and just kind of prep for the season that's coming up. I actually I wanted to stop and in this intro and just ask you guys a good question, you know what I mean? Go down in the comments and please answer. If you guys want to see longer videos or shorter videos or what you guys want to see on the channel, let me know down in the comments, please. Seriously, it would be greatly appreciated. And I just want more people to comment and whatnot, and I want to be more in tune with you guys, like I was saying. So go down in the comments and let me know. But there's gonna be lots of stuff to come here soon, and I'm stoked for what's to come. So yeah, let's just get to it. And that, my friends, is why you should check your tire pressure like weekly, honestly. I mean, you could do it more than that if you wanted to, but I'd say weekly is like a pretty solid rate to do it at, I guess. I don't know how you would say that, but yeah, all the tires were honestly just a few PSI down, but nothing crazy. But just, again, that's why you should always just kind of check that like weekly. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna pop the hood and just check fluids and whatnot and make sure everything's solid there, and yeah, just go from there. Coolant looks solid, right in between it's definitely over the minimum, right at the maximum, so we're solid there. And then honestly, I just need to fill up my wiper fluid probably here soon. I just need to get like a funnel that will reach down right there to like that little white cap. Yeah, it's like right down there. Yeah, so I deleted that whole thing back in one of my previous videos. Make sure you guys go check out some of my previous videos. Yeah, honestly, not too much done to the car, but there's quite a bit done to it, I would say. Let's check the oil real quick, and probably just gonna have to top it off a little bit. I got a little bit of an oil leak from the I don't know, I think it's honestly from like the turbo return line. It's not too crazy, it's just a little tiny bit, but yeah, I'm gonna take care of that. Cool. Alrighty, well, we're all topped off there. Coolant's good, like I was saying, and the oil's good now. For those of you guys that don't know, we got the Porsche coolant and Porsche oil cap as well. Brake fluid looks solid, but honestly, I need to change that brake fluid here soon. Hopefully gonna be getting some good brakes here soon, and just like a full actual brake upgrade. I really need to give this engine bay a good detail, so all that Z-Spec design can shine up everywhere. And honestly, if you guys want to know what this kit is or where it's from, I'll leave it linked down below. This is literally for a Mark 6 GTI kit. So yeah, I mean, you could literally put it on, obviously, probably a base Golf as well. Also, I'm going to be taking this battery tray out, like the actual tray. I think I might like cut it to modify it so I can still use this piece, because I like having this little OEM, you know, style like piece. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to take care of that hopefully soon, and just clean things up a little bit more in the engine bay. Maybe I'll do a video about that, and I don't know, you know, just like I said, let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see, and I'll just keep pushing this content out for you guys. And honestly, I think I'm gonna run upstairs and just grab the torque wrench and whatnot and come down here and just make sure these wheels are solid. I mean, like, I know they're fine, but hey, you know, I might as well while I'm at it and just make sure everything's nice and tight, and just, you know, go over some things, look at some things, and just make sure everything's solid on the car. So yeah, let's go do that and get back to it. Well, none of them were actually loose, so that's good. That means I did a good job in the first place when I like rotated my wheels not too long ago. So that's kind of why I did it, honestly, just to make sure everything was solid. And yeah, I know we're good now. So I'm probably just gonna go throw everything back upstairs, and then go run to the like the car wash. And there's like a free vacuum. And actually, like, my buddy actually worked there for years. I'm not sure if he still does or not, but either way, I'm always good to pull up there and use the free vacuum. It's honestly just dirty from, you know, like my dog and stuff like that, and other people getting in and out of it. So I'm gonna just go vacuum the inside a little bit, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, there's actually gonna be like a drift event here soon, and for my buddy's birthday, actually. I think it's gonna be happening here in like the next couple of days, honestly. So I'm gonna try and push this video out, and then get that video out as well. And honestly, pretty much, I hope after that I should have this window fixed, and then I'll be getting the dent fixed, and then, like I was saying, just enjoy the car. A couple more things gonna be done to it, and then it's gonna be full send, big turbo, and I can't wait. So make sure you guys go check out that video of the big turbo talk, and so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Ripping home right now. Honestly, not sure what else I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll hit up my buddy. We'll go do some car shit, and yeah, not sure, but hopefully you guys made it, you know, this far, and just know there's lots more to come. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. And that is gonna wrap up today's video. I really appreciate everybody for tuning in, and if you made it to the end, I seriously thank you very much. Again, lots more to come. I just wanted to come out here and put another video out, and honestly get in touch with you guys a bit more. And I think I'm gonna start putting out like 15-minute videos, and just, you know, do as much as I can, you know what I mean, and just put out the best content I can. I feel like I can make a 10-minute video in like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna try and stop doing that and record as much as I can and just put out the best content I can. So again, if you guys are interested in some of this stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on. Tune into some great Mark 6 Volkswagen content, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.